Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about a case study on security and cybercrime issues in global networks. We are living in the modern era run by technology. Our daily life depends on it, live with it. So nowadays the internet is a common name known to everyone. The internet contains everything we need. So people are using and depending on it more and more. As internet usage is increasing day by day, it makes the world small. People are coming closer. Rapid technologies growth and developments have provided vast areas of new opportunity and efficient sources for organizations of all sizes. It has become now a national asset. The whole national security is also depending on it. But these new technologies have also brought threats with them as cybercrime. A cybercrime is a crime in which a computer is used for crime like hacking, spamming, phishing, etc. First of all, what is cybercrime? Cyber criminals use internet and computer technology to hack users' personal computers, smartphones, data, personal details from social media, business secrets, national secrets, etc. Criminals who perform these illegal activities through the internet called hackers. Though law enforcement agencies are trying to tackle this problem, it is growing regularly and many people have become victims of identity theft, hacking, and malicious software. One of the best ways to stop these criminals and protect sensitive information is by making use of security that uses a unified system of software and hardware to authenticate any information that is accessed over the internet. Okay, let's find out more about cyber crimes. First, we are going to see causes of cybercrime. First one is easy to access. Capacity to store data in comparatively small space. Next, complexity. The last one is loss of evidence. The data related to the crime can be easily destroyed, so loss of evidence has become a very common and obvious problem which paralyzes the system behind the investigation of cybercrime. Next one is types of cybercrime. And this we have many types. So here I am listing most common ones. First one is hacking, child pornography and abuse, piracy or theft, cyber stalking, cyber terrorism, identity theft, computer vandalism, malicious software. How to tackle cybercrime? Here we have some best solutions. First one is use strong passwords. Be social media savvy. Secure your mobile devices. Protect your data. Protect your identity online. Keep your computer current with the latest patches and updates. Protect your computer with security software. Call the right person for help. Try not to panic if you are a victim. If you encounter illegal online content such as child exploitation, or if you suspect a cybercrime, identity theft, or commercial scam, just like any other crime, report this to your local police.